Hello everyone, welcome to the NN Classroom. Today I'd like to share with you a multiple choice question from biology from 2018 time zone 2 again. So that is question number 33, asking for the human physiology concept but another system of our body, which is the immune system. They're asking, the body has different defenses against infectious disease. Key idea, we will learn it all about infectious disease. Which cells provide important keyword non-specific immunity? According to the IB syllabus, the types of immunity for our body is further divided as the specific and non-specific immunity as the most fundamental classification. Specific immunity, also known as our third line, SPECIFIC, is also known as our third line of defense. You can say our final line according to the syllabus, and so the non-specific one is normally focusing on our first and second line of defense, which is meaning that non-specific means the immunity or this line of defense is not specialized for any special target, but just anyone that is dangerous or potentially what we call pathogens is being killed or prevented to enter our body. So specific, which means it is really specialized in just targeting that specific enemy or pathogen, right? And obviously that is related to our ability to generate antibodies, right? So that's how this third line is actually related to the production of antibody, a really important immunoglobulins, a protein for immune defense, right? So which means for this question, if we can spot out any cell that is responsible for some relationship with antibody, that means not our choice, because we want to choose the one with non-specific immunity. So that is the one not related to antibody. So for this perspective, if you realize it, then you may first of all take away A, C, and D already. Why? Because the memory cells are normally generated after the plasma cells from the B cells or B lymphocytes. When B lymphocytes first recognize the enemies and start releasing the antibodies with the help of T helper cells, the B cells will first differentiate into plasma cells. So plasma cells are the cells responsible for active cell division and the rapid production of antibodies. So obviously not C, right? Memory cells is after winning the game, winning the war. Some of the beta cells will then transfer to memory cells and keep a memory of the enemy. So that obviously is responsible for the specific immunity, because it just helps us to recognize the first enemy, and so we won't get the same disease for the next time if the same enemy comes in. So still specific in recognizing the enemy, right? And D, Hybridoma. Actually, Hybridoma is a higher level content relating to topic 11, animal physiology. Hybridoma, first of all, supposedly is not a natural type of body cells, so that's why it's not even related to our body in fighting infectious disease, right? But what's more important about Hybridoma is still a mixture of two cell lines. The first one is a beta lymphocyte cell, and the second one is a cancer cells. By mixing these two types of cells together, we generate the concept of hybridoma cells. So which means hybridoma cells still contain the specific immune response type of cell, which is the beta lymphocyte. So that's why for A, C, D, these all cells can be generated, can become from the beta lymphocyte. Right? So as they can all come from the beta lymphocytes, so that means obviously they are not going to be non-specific immune response, because the beta lymphocyte is responsible for the production of antibodies, right? So that's why obviously the choice for this question number 33 is going to be B, phagocytic white blood cells.